Vtaqtra. Di karere.
Die Sa uh uh with tra, but Sa kata ka rata tra. Right.
That's it. Pego. Pego. Di karere.
Die da dao ka rata tra. Right.
That's it. As Adamla has read, Thao ka rataktra. Phao ka rataktra. Sa kataka rataktra. Because it is a category, the sound didn't change, even though there is a prefix or superscript. Ako nga, okay? Payakulosong, Adamla payakulosong. So, then Adamla, if I ask you, Kerang suyin,
Kerang suyin. Mm.
Kerang suyin,
Yeah, nga su. No, the boy in no, no. Oh, who are you? Uh, nga nga Adam yin nga
that's it,
Adam yin.
that's it. Oh. Kerang kaneyin,
Kerang kanin. Uh, nga inyul ne yin.
that's it. Nga inyul ne yin. Payako. Inyul, England. Ako nga, inyul, payako. Oh, nga inyul ne yin. Payako. Ako now we have a pronoun here, kerang. Ako nga, kerang. For second person, you. Diba? Nga for yourself. Kong for third person. No gender specific. Ako nga, okay? Now, if you want to be more gender specific, then ko for male and mo for female. Okay? Ko and mo is a shortcut of korang and morang. Agosunga. You can also say here, kongsure, kongsure, or you can say korang sure. Agosunga. Both are chikpare. Nika chikpare. Agosunga. Then instead of saying mo sure, you can also say morang sure. That's it. Agosunga. Okay? These pronouns here. Then we already learned the question word. Su, who, kerang suyin, kong sure. I can also ask, ngasure for you. Diba? Ngasure. Like this. Diba? Okay? Pe song song. Adam la tuji che. La so teneya. Rodrigo la inda. Rodrigo la. Rodrigo la di karere.
Die Karataktra.
Pe Ka ratak tra.
Really.
Pe Di karere.
Die Parataktra. Really.
Pe Pa ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Tra. Radang chikpare. Agos nga. Radang.
Chikpare.
Oh, radang.
Kadang chikpare.
That's it. Di karere. Rodrigo la di.
Yatakya.
That's it. Ka yata kya. Kya. With
Kya.
the. Oh, that's it. That's why kerang here, right? Kerang with the kya.
Kerang.
Oh,
Kerang.
That's it. Ka yata kya drengpo ke tha ke ra nga rang kerang. That's it. Agosma peyagudu. Laso. Ani Rodrigo la kerang kanein. Kerang kane.
Nga Netherlands neyen.
That's it. Nga Netherlands ne yin. Ruba peyag. Nga Netherlands ne yin. Ruba. Peyag. If I ask you, nga sure, how would you answer?
Na sure. Na Nepal re. Nein, you mean ko? Is it no?
Nga sure.
You.
I'm pointing at me.
Yeah, man, I have to say you. So what was you? Is that ko? No, that's he. He Nepal sure. He.
No. For you, you can say kerang, right?
Okay. Kerang Nepal yin.
I said nga sure. Who?
Who? Kerang Tenzin yin.
Tenzin Ray.
Tenzin re.
Huh?
Tenzin re.
That's it.
Kerang Tenzin re.
That's it. Agosma. Because here, the yin and ray. Agosma. Kerang
Either
Tenzin.
or.
That's it. For other person. Agosma. That's it. Pay aguloso. Tujiche. Then if I ask you, nga kanere. Nga kanere.
Kerang Nepal re.
Nga
Nere.
Nepal mare. Nga Tenzin re. Nga kanere. Kanere.
Kerang Tenzin. Kerang Tenzin re.
That's we finish. It was su.
Okay.
Now the question is Kane. From where?
Yeah, isn't it Nepal or India?
Yes. But you said
Kerang,
uh-huh.
Kerang Nepal neyin.
Nere.
Re.
That's it.
Kerang Nepal nere.
That's it. If you miss ne, then you are saying you are Nepal. Like this.
No.
Like this. So Kerang Nepal ne re. That's it. Agosma. That's it. Pegolapson tujiche. Agosma. So this is little bit tricky. We don't ask like this. Who am I? Where I'm from? We don't ask like this. Mostly we say, no, Kerang suyin, Kerang kanehin, or Kong sure, Kong kanere. But this is also right question if I ask. Nga sure, Agosma. Okay? Little bit tricky. Yago lapson, Rodrigo la, tujiche. Tene ya pema jimbala inda, pema jimbala. Tashidelek pema jimbala, debo imbe.
Devoyin tujeje Devoyin be tanzila.
Nga yang debo yin, tujiche. Nga yang. I
Nga yang.
also. Agos nga, we
Also.
accept.
Nga yang.
Nga
yang.
yang. Debo yin. I also. Diba?
Nga yang.
That's it. Nga yang debo yin. Peo. So, tene pema jimbala. Disum karere. Disum. These three. Diba?
Disum tra re.
Disum. Dradang chikparebe.
Re. Disum dradang chikpare.
That's it. Tra, karata tra, tarata tra,
Tra.
parata tra.
Tra. Tra.
Ukarere, pema jimbala.
Di ka yata kya.
That's it. Ha, yata, kya. That's it. Well, now we have to keep in mind, if it's ha category or if it's ah category, the sound doesn't change when there is a prefix or superscript, right? But when it is a category, the sound changes, and sound changes to two types: more bold, more bass, or higher, right? In this ratak, these three ratak and yatak, they all become bolder. Okay? For example, karatak tra, taratak tra, paratak tra to dra, tra, dra, tra, dra. Okay? Let's take example. Karata tra and sakata ga ratak dra. You see, how goes na? Sound change here. That's it. Now, they all are same effect. How goes na? Now also here, kayata kya. Then we also learned ra kata ga yata gya. Kya, gya, kya, gya. Like this. Now, using this word, we learned Jakar as a India, right? Jakar, like this. Very good. So, Jakar. Agos na? So, ni pema jimbala, kirang kane yin.
Nga Zimbabwe neyin.
Ale, peo. Ani Michael Jackson kane re.
Michael Jackson are ne re.
That's it. Finish. Agos na? That's it. Peo son, tuji che, pema jimbala. Tene, you won't la yin. You won't la. You won't la, tashi delek.
Shidele.
Oh, you won't la, kirang kane yin.
Nga Thailand ne yin.
That's it. Na Thailand ne yin. Peo. Le. Lasso. Tene ya. Di karere. Di lo thang.
Sa ha tak phe la tak tra
Oh, dra.
nga drang
Oh, dra, nga, drang. Peo. Drang. Sa, patak ba, ratak dra, nga, drang. That's how you read it. How goes nga? Peo lo so. To the che. Tene di karere.
ka pa
Pa mare. How goes nga? Oh, I want to remind this time. If
ka wa
oh, that's it. Kawa. If it is second syllable or third syllable, this should read as wa. How goes nga? Kawa.
ha ko song
Di
ka
karere.
ka wa
Kawa. That's it. Di karere.
kalowa
That's it. Kalowa. If you want to know, it means driver. 하고서,
driver ให้ก็ส่ง
That's it. Kalowa. That's it. 빼올라서. 되네요. 공수래 이용라.
คงสังเกเร
빼요. 공가네래.
คงอินเดียคง
어,
คคยากาเนเร
야칼.
อยา
라.
เข้า
어,
อยาเข้าเนเร
that's it. 공갸가네 래. That's it. 라 가타가 야타갸. 카라카르. 갸카르. 와?
야가네르.
하고서는 공갸가네래. 빼요. Very good. 투지치 이용라.
ทุกทีเจ
투지치. That's it. That's it. 되네요. 수놈 도갈라인다. 수놈 도갈라 다시 delek. 수놈 도갈라 계란 카네.
다시. 네 sonam dolkar yen.
No. My question is 계란 카네 yin.
네
나.
yakar ne yen.
나. You sing not me. 나. 나.
Na nya kakar ne yen.
갸칼. 라 카타 가야타 갸. 하고서
Yakar ne yen.
That's it. 나 갸칼 네 yin. 왜 올라서? 그렇지. 네 가르래. 수놈 도갈라.
Ra ka tak ga yata gya.
That's it. 왜 올라서? 그렇지. If I say 나 tenzin yin, what will be the question for this statement?
Ao geran tenzin yen. Tenzin pe.
Tenzin yin pe.
Tenzin impe.
That's it. Then I would answer yin. Tenzin yin. Right? Or you can also use a question word. Who? You want to try?
Yes. Kon tenzin re.
That's answer, right?
Kon tenzin repe.
Let me show you here, right? If I say nga tenpa yin. If I say nga tenpa yin, okay? Here. Usually I ask question, you answer. Now here is the answer. Make it question.
Na sonam dolkar yen pe. Like that? No.
If I ask you kerang su yin, how would you answer? Kerang su yin.
Na sonam dolkar yen.
That's it. That's it. Now, if I say na sonam dolkar yin, what will be the question for this answer?
Kran su yin.
That's it. Finish. Kerang Suyin is the question, right? That's it. So what I'm trying to say here is also practice questioning also. Okay? Very important. Tujiche sonam dogala. Very good try. Raso, tene ruyun la yin, ruyun la, tashidele. Tashidele ruyun la, kirang kane yin.
Nga China nei in.
Oh, peyago. Raso, if I say, nga Kathmandu ne yin, what will be the question?
Kerang kane in.
That's it. That's it. Kirang kane yin. Then I would answer, nga Kathmandu ne yin, nga pyo ne yin, nga kham ne yin, nga Dharamsala ne yin, anything. Nga peyago sung. If I say, Kong Michael Jackson Ray, what will be the question?
Konsure.
That's it. Finish. If I say, Di Thang Di Mik Ray, what will be the question?
Di tang di. Oh. It should be simple. I don't know.
Di Thang Di.
Carrere.
That's it. We don't say who to the things. We say what is this to the things. That's it. Di Thang Di Karire. My answer will be Di Thang Di Mik Ray. Very good. That's it. Thank you very much. So just like that, not only answering, practice questioning also. Hola, so pego. Tene imogen la in trashidaleg imogen la. Trashidaleg ni kirang kane yin. Kirang kane yin. Kane from where?
Kerang nga nasa nga England na England yin
England ne yin.
na England na yin, yes.
That's it. Let's try that one more time. Kirang kane yin.
Na England na yin.
That's it. That's it. Fail. Na England ne yin. Fail. Niya, di karire. Di karire. Can you read it?
Sagata karata dra.
That's it. Very good reading. Also. Keep on practicing like this. That's all.
Thank
you. Just like that. Then, yeah, Imogen la in the Gandhiji Kanere.
Gandhiji Jaka Nayin.
Ne?
Nayin.
yin for yourself.
Sorry. Nere.
That's it. Yankarinda. Gandhiji kanere.
Gandhiji Jaka Nere.
That's it. If I ask you, Kongsure, Kongsure,
Kong
Allah.
Gandhire. Gandhi.
Kongsure.
Yeah. Kong Gandhi. Gandhire.
That's it. Kong Gandhire. That's it. Imogenla, also practice. Question. Kongsure. Kerang suyin. Kerang kaneyin. Kong kanere. Di karere. Akosunga? Okay?
Agusta.
Fair.
Tujiche.
Tujiche, Imogenla. Lasso. Tujiche. That's it. Tene susi luna la yin, trashi delek susi luna la, kerang debu imbe.
Rashidele. Can you say it again?
Kerang debu imbe. Kerang debu imbe.
Wait. Nga tempo yin.
Nga debu yin. Tene susi luna la, kerang kane yin. Kerang kane yin.
Nga Mexico ne yin.
That's it. Nga Mexico ne yin. That's it. Akosunga? Fair. If I say, Kong Netherlands ne re. What will be the question?
Kong Netherlands ne re. Kong Netherlands ne re.
That's the answer, right?
Adam.
Kong,
Can I say
third person. Kong Netherlands ne re.
Kong, I don't know. Kong Adam Netherlands ne re.
No, if I say, let's say here, Kong Netherlands ne re is the statement here, right?
Mare.
So here is the statement, right? Now make a question for this statement.
Let's say Kong Sure.
Then this will be different answer. Su is who, right? No. Right now I'm saying Kong.
Kong Canere.
That's it.
That's it.
Because Kong Kanere. Kong Netherlands re. That's it. If I say Nga Kathmandu ne yin. Nga Kathmandu ne yin. What will be the question?
Kierang Kaneyin.
That's it. Kerang Kane yin. That's it. Then I would say Kathmandu ne yin. That's it. How goes just like that. Practice like this. How goes if you know how to answer, then make a question. If you know how to question, make an answer. Like this. Tujiche, Susila, Tujiche.
Can you tell us again the meaning of Sangye? That you said that it's a Buddha that has two words. I remember you said something very interesting about clear and another word.
Yeah, gay. Gay means
What is ge?
Oh, win. You win. It has two meaning. One is win. You win from everything.
Uh-huh.
One is very deep and vast. Vast. We're talking about wisdom. Okay? That's
Uh-huh. And that's for every Buddha.
yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Whoever is clear from any sorrow, sin, and clear from thought, let's say. And
Okay.
whoever conquered every wisdom, win. That's it. So,
도대체.
like this. So these are just a name given to unknown, undescribable. So they give these beautiful names. Okay? After all, it is just a name. So that's it. So yes, Sangye. Just like that. And please practice this question word. We already learned till now su as a who, right? Kane, from where, right? Kare, what? Kaki, which one? Which is, or which are? Kaki, like this. Then easy question, repe, yinpe. Instead of saying kerang su yin, I could ask kerang susi luna yinpe. Like this. Agosma, pewo, tujiche. That's it. Oh yeah, tene Pedro la inda. Tashi delek Pedro la. Pedro la,
Tashi-delek.
sum karere.
Paratraktra. Paratraktra. Paratraktra.
Tisum gadang chikpa repe.
Dratang chikpare. Dratang chikpare.
Ah,
No, dratang chikpamare.
radang chikpa mare. Pa ratak tra. Ah, category. Pa ratak tra. Ha, category. Pa ratak tra. Ah, category. Agos nga Pedro la. Tene Pedro la disum karere. Yeah.
Disu. Ratraktra. Ratraktra. Ratraktra.
That's it. Disum radang chikpa repe.
Dratang chikpamare.
Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. That's it. Agos nga. Ani Pedro la kirang kanein.
Na Portugal neyin.
Ale, laso. 아니, 크리스티아노 로날도 가네래.
Cristiano Ronaldo Portugal nere. Portugal nere.
로날도 포르투갈 네 레. That's it.
Nere.
순서. 도지체. 베드로라 빼고 순서. 드네야 베드로라 딜로탄 디숨 가레레.
Paratraktra. Ta ratrak tra. Pa ratrak tra.
That's it. Radang chikpa repe. Radang chikpa repe.
Dratang chikpare.
That's it. Radang chikpare. Sa khatak ga ratak dra. Khao tha nga sa dang. Dradang. Agos nga? Pronunciation. Dra sound. Dang melody. Agos nga? Olas. Pero. Tineya. Pedrola disum karere.
Ta ratrak tra. Ta ratrak tra. Pa ratrak tra.
Radang chikpa repe.
Dratang chikpare.
That's it. Ka ratak tra. Ta ratak tra. Pa ratak tra. Radang chikpa res. Pero. Tuji che Pedrola. Pero song song. So. Yeah, now let's practice little bit reading. Ruba? Oh. Okay. Before we start this, I want to introduce you here, Ruba, as underscript. From underscript, we already learned ratak, yatak, right? So today we're going to learn a little bit about latak, latak. And it is very easy. The shape is same as la. Like this. La is under. We call it latak. Okay? Sa. Did we did sa? Oh, we have no sa yet. Okay. Oh. Hola. So here, ka latak la, ka latak la, pa latak la, sa latak la. So you can see, very easy. All of them are same. La, like this. How goes nga? Ka latak la, ka latak la, pa latak la, sa latak la, ra latak la. Like this. There is one more thing. This is unique. So we haven't learned this yet. I'm going to introduce this when it's time. So here I have shown you 5 of them. Ka latak la, ka latak la, pa latak la, sa latak la, ra latak la. Agos nga? Dadang chikpare. Dadang chikpare. Okay? Pronunciation chikpare. Now, if you remember, till now we have learned from superscript, sango, rango, lango. Sa, kata, ka, right? Ra, kata, ka, la, kata, ka. From superscript, we learn this. These three different. From underscript, we learned ka, rata, tra, ka, yata, kya, ka, lata, la. That's it. Okay? So here, let's practice this. Sa, latak, la, naro, lo, pa, lop. Right? Sa, latak, la, naro, lo, pa, lop. Pa, ratak, tra, shabkyu, tru, ka, truk, lop, truk, lop, truk, as a student. Lop, truk. Like this. Sa, latak, la, shabkyu mare, naro, lo, pa, lop. Pa, ratak, tra, shabkyu, tru, ka, truk, lop, truk. So for this underscript, there are only 6 of them. I already introduced you 5 of them. Okay? There is one left. We read them differently, not la. So we will learn this later. Otherwise, these all are same. Ka, latak, la. Ka, latak, la. Pa, latak, la. From pa, latak, la, we have lama. It's not lama. It's lama. You see, pa, latak, la, ma, lama. Like this. That's the spelling for lama. Pa, latak, la, ma, lama. Like this. Okay? Lasso. Tujiche, teneya. Fang fang tang Candice la yin. Fang fang la Jangku yin. Green. Candice la Serpo yin. Yellow. Let's try. Yeah. We're talking about this picture. Okay? This madam. Ruba? Yeah.
Không lột chút lê vào.
Kong lop trup.
Lepe.
Repe.
Lepe.
Mare, Kong Loktruk Mare, Kong Ki Rakatan Tao Ka Jimbo Te. Sorry, Tao Ka Jimbo Ke Ragadaka Na Ge Ke Re.
Gen. N. Gegen.
Gegen. Oh, Gegen Re.
That's it. Now we have a new word here. Gegen. Teacher. Candice la answered, Mare, Kong Loptruk Mare, student Mare, Kong Gegen Re, teacher Re. Agosma, okay? Pewa. Yeah, tene fang fang la.
Ale. Không lột chút marepe.
Marepe, negative. Isn't she? Isn't he or isn't she? Kong Loptruk Marepe. Like this.
Mare, Kong Truk Mare, Kong Gegen Re.
Again, very good. Mare, Kong Loptruk Mare, Kong Gegen Re. That's it.
콩 게겐 레바.
빼고 콩 게겐 레와. That's it.
레, 콩 게겐 레.
That's it.
콩 럽툭 마레바.
마레, 콩 럽축 마레.
That's it. Now we may ask rewa, marewa. We already have a question or repe, marepe. Now what is this? Rewa or marewa? It's like a confirmation. Rewa. Oh, Kong Gegen Rewa. He is teacher, right? Like this. This kind of gesture. Agosna. Rewa. We already know repe. Is she? Isn't she? Is he? Isn't he? Repe, marepe. Now, rewa, marewa. Agosna. Pe agolosom. Tujiche. Candice lada. Pangfang la. Tujiche. Pe agolosom. Teneya. Tang noila inga. Tang noila. Rashidelek. Tang noila.
Ashidelek.
Tang noila. Kirang kanein. Kirang kanein. Tang noila.
Nga Thailand nè yin.
Pero, na Thailand neyin. Pero. Tang noila. Kirang diyin. Agos nga green. Tene dawala. Kirang serpo yin. Lorona.
Khong lop chuk repe.
Mare, kong lopchuk mare, kong gegen re.
Ale khong lop chuk marepe.
Mare, kong lopchuk mare, kong gegen re.
Khong keken rewa.
Re, kong gegen re.
Khong lop chuk marewa.
Mare, kong lopchuk mare.
That's it. Pero loso. Tujiche. Tang noila tang dawala.
Tenzin, may I ask a question?
Yes.
What is meaning of these bubbles under the letters? This black cycle of different size.
Okay.
What do this meaning?
It's like a kong lop truk repe. You see, when I say kong is louder, lop is little bit smaller, truk is louder than the lop, and re is quieter than the pe. So repe, like this, so enthusiastic. So when you look at this dot, it's like how to read them with the sound up down, not like a robot. Kong lop truk repe, not like this. Kong lop truk repe, like this. Little bit emotion here. Okay. So for that, you don't have to focus on this one. I never tell focus on this. If it helps you, it's okay. Otherwise, it's more distraction. It is better to imitate how I do. It's always better to imitate. And we love to imitate. That's it. Well, hola, so Dineya. Mariana la inda. Tashi deleg Mariana la.
Tashi delegyan la.
Mariana la kirang kanein.
Nga Bulgaria ne in.
Ale lasu. Ani Mariana la kong gegen repe. Kong gegen repe.
Kong gegen mare. Kong loptruk re.
Ale kong gegen marepe.
Mare. Kong gegen mare.
Ale kong luptruk repe.
Re. Kong loptruk re.
Kong gegen marwa.
Kong gegen Marewa.
That's question.
Kong gegen
Gegen mare.
Mare.
That's it. Answer will be same, right? Then if I ask you, Kong lupchuk rewa.
Kong kulupchuk re.
That's it. When I say rewa, you can add re at the start of the sentence for more enthusiastic. Re. Kong lupchuk re. Like this. Rewa. With confidence. Okay? That's it.
Okay.
So that's how you practice. Agosuma. That's it. Tujiche. Thank you, Lasso. Yeah, now let's practice little bit pronunciation. Yeah, Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la. Di carire.
Di lakpare.
Marmari di.
Kangpare.
This one.
Oh, okay. Kong kangpa.
Kang mare ka. Ka.
Ka na kangpa. Kangpa.
Kangpa. Kangpa.
Kangpa.
Kangpa for any house. Okay? Not home. House. Any house. Kangpa. Agosma. Teneya Rodrigo la dilota.
Ra kata ka na kangpa. Kangpa.
Ra kata ka nga kangpa. 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 Agosma.
Chikpa mare.
Dratang chikpa mare. Kangpa, we have leg here. Agosma. Kangpa. Kangpa thang. Kangpa. Dratang chikpa mare. Right? If it's a new word, take it down. How goes so? Tene Adam la in. Adam la di karere. Par di karere.
Di kapa re.
Pa mare.
Oh, kawa.
Kawa.
Kawa. Di
Pillar.
kawa.
Kawa as a pillar. How goes Kawa. Di karere.
Kawa. Di kawa.
That's it. Kawa as a snow. How goes Kawa tang. Kawa. Dradang. Chikpa repe.
Kawa tang kawa chikpa mare. Dratang chikpa mare.
Dradang chikpa mare. Spell. Kujise ramla. Yagosung song. Agosunga kawa as a pillar. Kawa as a snow. Agosunga. Spell duk. Tene yong la yin. Yong la. Yong la di lorona. Di karere.
Ra nga ra nga
Tak.
la nga tak nga.
That's it. Ra nga tak nga. Higher. Ra nga tak nga. That's it. And di karere.
Nga.
That's it. Nga. 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 For any drum. Ding ding. Any drum. Nga. For yourself. Nga. I. Ani. Yung la. Nga. Tang nga. Dradang chikpa repe.
Ratang chikpa mare.
Yeah, tujiche. Hola. Yeah. Now we have here. Sonam Droga Lainda. Try Chigimbe. Can you try this?
Sorry, dog is barking. Ao Ratan Naroka Rokpa
One. One.
Prokpa
Ao Pa Ratak Dra Naro. Ruba. Ao Pa Ratak Dra Naro Dro Ka Drok Pa Drokpa. Very good.
Prokpa.
You said it right. But the way you read it, you made little mistake. Akosma, you wanna try that again?
Yes. Ao Pa Ratak Dra Naro Pro Ka Prok Pa Prokpa.
That's it. That's how you read it. About Drokpa as a nomad. Okay? Yak boy, not cowboy. So, Drokpa as a nomad who don't stay at one place. They go with the animal with different places where there is a better grass and water. Like this.
Yes.
That's the definition of Drokpa. Chikpa is farmer, different. Hakosma Pel. Diloronam, Sunam Dogola.
Ra Naroka Sa Pa Rok Pa Rokpa.
Ra Naro Ro Ka Sa Rok Pa Rokpa. That's how you read it. Yeah, Yankarinda.
Di dangin chik radang chikpa mare.
Radang Chikpa Mares. So Rokpa as a helper. Helper. And we also use this as a friend. Kongi Rokpa Res. Kongi Rokpa Re. But Rokpa literally means helper. Helper. As a noun. Drokpa, Rokpa, Dradang, Chikpa Mare. Agosma, Pevo. Che, Tini, Imogen la, yeah, did try Chetan.
Right. Question time?
No. Dilogtha, can you read this?
Oh, sure. Ao Kayata Tra Ka Kya. Ao Kayata Kya Ka Sa Kya Kya Pa.
You have to pronounce the air like this. Pa like this. Agosma.
I think
no problem.
Should Kya Kya Pa.
That's it. That you have to come with the ha sound. Kya. Kya. That's it. Hakosma. Okay? That's it. Very good. Oh. Ka. Yatak. Ka. Ka sa. Kyak. Pa. Kyak pa means eyes. Any eyes. Hakosma. Kyak pa. That's it. Yeah. You wanna try this one?
Me?
Yes.
Rakata, Kayata, Chaka, Sa, Chakpa.
Yak, ra, kata, ga, yata, gya, ka, sa, yak, pa, gyak, pa. Gyak, pa. That's it. How goes one? Gyak, pa means fat. We have here a wonderful fat baby here. Gyak, pa, fat. How goes one? Now here, kyakpa tang gyakpa dradang chikpa repe. Imogen la dradang chikpa repe.
Dratang chikpa mare.
That's it. Dradang chikpa mare. That's it. Now I want to show you here. When this is alone, we read them as kah yatak kyah, right? And there is a prefix. Because it is ha category, it remains same. Kyah. Ao, kah, yata, kyah, ka, sa, kyak, pa, kyak, pa. That's it. How goes one? Now here, if there is no ra on the top, then it will be just ka, yatak, kya, kya. Because this ra on the top, it became bolder. Ra, kata, ga, yata, gya. Instead of kya. How goes nga? Gya. Ra, kata, ga, yata, gya. Ka, sa, gyak, pa, gyak, pa. That's it. Puku, gyak, pa. How goes nga? Fat kid. Puku, gyak, pa. That's it.
Puku, gyak, pa. Tujiche.
Very good try. We all did very good try. So that's it for today. Trashi Delek. Keep on practicing. Lasso. Ni tujiche.
Tucheche.
Tucheche, Tashirele.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
No time for question.
I have another class, so I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you. Çok cüzdan.
Bye-bye.